Hello guys, my name is Charles Randy Ampah and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a preset from one channel to another channel. So this is going to be a very quick video, but before I start with the tutorial or with the demonstration, if this happens to be the first time you're watching my video, please don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel, and also I'll be very glad if you can share this video to a lot of people so that they can also benefit from this video. So please share to different platforms, whether it is Facebook or WhatsApp or Twitter, any other platforms that you can think of. Please share this video, okay? So before I start, also I would like to thank each and everyone for supporting me all this while. I'm very grateful to everybody who has been watching my videos, those who are subscribing, those who are sharing to other people. I'm very grateful. So let's start with the video. So let's say, let me cite an example. I cite examples because I would like you to really understand why this video is taking place or why I'm doing this video. So let's say you have a gig where you have to EQ about 3 or 4 vocals. It won't be smart to EQ one, then you go to the other one and EQ if the microphones are the same. After setting the gain of the various vocals, it will be advisable to act very smart over here, because that's what the digital mixer is all about. It makes you smart, it makes you work fast than the analog mixer. So forget what a lot of people have been saying concerning the digital mixers, where they say it makes you lazy. No, it makes you smart. It makes you work very fast. So without wasting my time, as I was saying, if you are supposed to EQ about 3 or 4 vocals, all that you have to do is to copy the presets of the first one that you've set to the other ones. There's no need to go to the various vocals and also set the EQs again. They are just going to waste your time. So on the Qu-32, that's what I'll be using for this demonstration. Equally, you can do that on X32 and other digital mixers, but just that it will be it will be slightly different. That will be different from what the Qu-32 is going to show you, okay? So without wasting my time, if you want to do that, let's say my channel 25 is done, there is EQ, there is also a compressor being activated or activated on the mixer board. So if I want to copy from 25 to 23, all I have to do is to select the channel I want to copy, that's 25, and then hold the copy button over here. So I'll hold it and click on the select and hit on the select. I thought I was using my mouse, that's what I said click. So I'm still holding the copy, then I select channel 25. So as you can see over here, it says copied channel 25 process, okay? If I want to paste, I'll do the same thing. I'll hold the paste, then I go to the channel I want to paste that EQ, or I want to paste that processing that has been done on 25. So let's say channel 23, then I hit on the 23. As you can see on 25, the same thing is on 23. The only thing that won't be copied is the gain and also the phantom power that has been enabled on 25. So that's all I want to show you today. So I believe you understood me, and also if you have any question concerning this demonstration, you can ask me on the comment section and I'm going to answer you. So don't forget to subscribe, like I said. If you're watching it for the first time, if you're watching my videos also, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.